Hi guys, welcome back to Flora Blended Food. My name is Lauren and today we're going to take a quick garden tour and see what's ready to harvest. Let's go. My cat is out here helping me today, but so as you can see from the last time, I came out and weeded a ton of stuff because it was getting outrageous. So I actually have some strawberries growing in here. I'm sure that was the squirrels doing. My mint has exploded. And I have 3 different varieties in there. Hi, Den. I also have garlic chives, which are starting to get little buds on top. My parsnips, I haven't touched just because I'm sure it's way far past when they're good, but the seeds are dried out, so I could harvest those if I wanted to. Over here are my cone flowers. Most of them are kind of spent, but they seem to just keep blooming, just new blooms come up, so that's exciting. On the other side here, this is, well, you can't see, but this is a moonflower bush, and I must have missed all of the blooms because I was too busy not weeding the garden, but this is huge and it'll come back every year. It's not technically a perennial, I don't think, but it reseeds itself really easily. Then I have these giant marigold plants. Beautiful. Den's here again. My chamomile is looking amazing, and I even have some straw flowers here that must have self-seeded. My little Oscar and then 2 large Oscars. I need to kind of support that one, but they are getting nice and big. My zucchini plant has gone a little bit crazy, and it is now climbing up my dead dill stalks, so that's interesting. Sage is beautiful. My thyme is beautiful, my rosemary is beautiful, and my basil is beautiful. Everything is really starting to just grow really quickly and expand. I've got some sort of, I don't know, purple flower. I don't know if that's a weed, but I like it, so I'm leaving it. We just don't talk about the berry area. It needs some major TLC. Over here I showed you the zucchini plant. I mostly have male flowers. Oh, I just pulled that one off, so we'll have to do something with it, cook it up. So I don't really have a ton of zucchini as of right now, but I do have some flowers, so maybe I'll get some. I've seen lots of bees and hummingbirds. Over here were my extra tomatoes, but I can see a giant one down there, some good ones back in there, a little one here and there, so it's doing something. This is some sort of, I don't remember, squash. I don't know what I planted over here. Nothing's on it right now though. Then I have yard-long beans going strong. This is just a little one, but you can see there's plenty of opportunity for more. There's little flower pods there. And if we go to the back side, you can see I have loofahs growing. That is super exciting. That one on the bottom is huge. My calendula is still blooming. I need to get out here and deadhead it so it'll continue to bloom. I've got the starting of a little dahlia there. I have this self-seeded ground cherry. I've got these all over the place in the garden, so I just let them go. This one actually has tons of fruit, but it's not quite ready yet. You know they're ready when they fall to the ground. That's why they're called ground cherries. And then if you peel back the little casing, that's what they look like. Sometimes they're called Cape gooseberries, and they're really sweet and delicious. My pumpkin is going strong. It's got some flowers on it. My cosmos are getting really tall. No flowers yet, but I think we're close. My horseradish is big as ever. My rhubarb looks kind of sad, so it's done. More ground cherries. Jen is just following me everywhere today. And then in this bucket, I just did a kind of a pollinator mix of flowers, and it looks like zinnias. That might be a cosmo right there. But then up here, look, I have sunflowers. Look how gorgeous that is. Okay, and now the exciting part is right here. Look at all of these ripe tomatoes that I have in my tomato area. I think that putting 1 tomato plant per bucket was the way to go. They weren't overcrowded, so they've been producing like crazy. I'm so excited to have some bigger red tomatoes this year. In the pepper area, I've got some really nice peppers started. My shishito peppers are crazy big. A lot of them have ripened to red, but you can still eat them. So I'm gonna pick some of those. And then look at these massive jalapenos that I have. Oh my gosh. There's more over here. So exciting. And then I have tons of cayenne peppers that are actually starting to ripen. You can see down here there's some red ones. There's a really cute squiggly red one, but just tons of green ones. Over here I've got more of that just pollinator mix. So zinnias mostly, and some sunflowers. Got some yard-long beans just hanging out. They came back from last year. They self-seed really fast. Oh, got this weird looking bug here. I just love seeing all the wildlife. Oh, I have some cosmos in here. There's a pretty little cosmo. And then onion I haven't done anything with. These beans are a little far past, these kind of reddish ones, so I usually just pick those and throw them back in the bucket and more spring up. But yeah, we have tons and tons of stuff growing. Everything is healthy and happy. Okay, this is what we harvested from the garden. I have so much fresh produce I'm so excited to use. So if you guys enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and head over to my channel to subscribe for more content like this, and I hope to see you again very soon. Thanks guys, bye.